Would you like to share your experience with us?
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Bindu. First of all, I would like to thank the entire EduYesh team. It has been really enriching and great experience with EduYesh. The best part, which I would say, as being associating with EduYesh, is that they are pretty passionate about your success in the exams. So they keep pushing you and they keep motivating you. So I mean, you're always remain motivated while being associated with EduYesh, and such a rich resources library they have that you need not go here and there, and the entire documents, entire materials which you need to refer, you'll find at one place. So that has been really useful during this period. Needless to say, Vijaya ma'am has been motivating factor, equally passionate for the student's success. She will give you a lot of tips on how to succeed, and I mean, you'll find them pretty useful when you attempt for the examinations. Having said that, I'll give you few. I mean, I can, from my experience, what I faced and what I experienced, I can give you few tips for the examinations. Maybe you will not be able to correlate now, but at the end of when you complete your studies, you will find them more relevant. I would like to say that be yourself, focus on your strength. So there are 4 questions which comes in these examinations of different types. So there is no no rule that which question to be attempted first. So you need to see what is your strength, focus on your strength, and plan your study based on your strength. In my case, though it is not advised, but I attempted the consolidation question first. I planned for that, and I went with the plan that I will attempt this question first, and I attempted that. So I would say be focused on your strength. That will help you. Second tip which I can give you is for consolidation questions, there are, what I feel, there are various methods to attempt consolidation questions. So what I found useful is the past papers. So if you'll see the past papers and the BPP study, you'll find different methods being used. So I would suggest go by what is followed in the past papers. That is easy to understand, easy to attempt, and much useful. Make your concepts clear. What examiner sees here is your conceptual clarity and the overall IFRS knowledge. So I would say don't attempt or try to attempt only a part of the syllabus. Examiner would see your overall IFRS knowledge. So you need to demonstrate the complete knowledge in all 4 questions. That will help you score good marks. Make your own notes. I did that for my studies. Make your own notes the way you find it useful to revise. Practice on the Pearson platform. So if you go onto ACC website, you'll find the past papers where the last few attempts are on CB platform. So there you'll find the platform. It's a replica of what comes in examinations. So practice your questions on that platform. And another tip which I feel that is useful is we, being a working professional, most of us are used to working on the laptops, but in the examination environment, you will be given a keyboard to attempt on desktop. So as far as possible, before examination for 10 days or so, if you feel that you have difficulty in running your keyboard, then attempt and make yourself used to using the keyboards. So this is what I can share from my experience.
Thank you so much, Mukesh. Thank you so much for sharing the your experiences and the deep insight. I'm sure this will help the